Okay, so we are headed into the Great Sand Dunes National Park. I'm assuming that's it. Maybe once we get in there, it'll look a little more impressive. But right now we're comparing it to white sands, and it's not nearly a white sand. So we'll see when we get in there. She loves the sand so much. She's so goofy. Well, that definitely makes it worth the stop. She cracks me up. So, it's a little more impressive once you get here. If you can kind of look back off over there in the distance, you can see the people kind of look like little dots. So they're pretty big. They just didn't really seem like it driving in. But boy, look at the mountains. They do have some RV parking. This seems like it's a little wet. They do have I'm going to say probably 8 to 10 spaces. I didn't count them. But we were the only ones that pulled into one right now, but it's early. I think it's 9:30, 10 o'clock. And Darby's loving it. So that made it worth it for me. I mean, honestly, I wouldn't probably plan a vacation here. But if it's on your route, why not? You know, it's worth a little stop. I wouldn't make a special point to be here. I think I enjoyed White Sands more. This is kind of sloppy wet. I don't know. It's kind of weird. I'm sure I'm going to end up with sand in my boots. It's super windy. Ooh. What are you doing, Darby? What are you doing? You like the sand? You like the sand? What's on your nose, Darby? Get a little sand on your nose. Whoa! Extreme close up. Okay, so we're old. And we're just up on this smaller dune. And actually, that walk across that flat part was a lot longer than it looked. So we're not gonna go all the way up there. I can't imagine how far up that actually is. But I mean, you can see like those people over there. And they look kind of small. More power to them, man. But it is really pretty. I mean, I like the mountain part. Like that scene right there. I think that's really pretty. And Darby loves this. This is more like a Darby stop than anything else. Did you get the sand, Darby? Did you get the sand? Get it! Get the sand! But like I said, I wouldn't plan this as a vacation spot. Just maybe if you're around the area, an extra stop, because I think it's worth that. And if you're really athletic, you'll want to probably go all the way up to the top. So here's a little bit of the parking lot. You can see there's some RV spaces, and they go over there to where that orange cone is. The parking on the other side is all for a single vehicle. Not really a lot of parking, you know, so might want to think about that, especially if you're coming down in here with an RV, because there's, what would you say, maybe 10 spaces or something like that. Thanks for coming along with us to the Great Sand Dunes. If you haven't subscribed to our channel yet, please do so. Don't forget to give us a big thumbs up. You're more than welcome to share any of our videos, and don't forget to hit that notification bell so you'll be notified when we upload new videos. And we hope to see you again on our next happy adventure.